everyone, so this is Akriti welcomes you in a day where we are going to show you your dream home named as Passion Royal Cottages. So let me show you the dreamy property, the wonderful property and the property with so many amenities and luxury feel. So let me show you. So here where I am standing, this is actually a dining hall as well as we have sitting area as well. So you can see the beautiful view as well as the beautiful paintings and the aesthetic view. This is dining hall where you all can have delicious food, snacks, or you can also have a talk with your family. Come inside, let me show you the bedroom with a beautiful vibe. It goes to say that home is a feeling. Home is not a building, it's just a feeling where you actually feel the home. You can feel the vibe, you can feel that love, that blessings, or you can feel that gratefulness, right? So this home, this bedroom is going to give you that feel, that vibe. It says that actually hide the size, the luxury or the richness of the building. So yes, definitely you all are going to have that rich feeling. Let me show you the utility area which can be used by you as a washing area, keeping washing machine and also a chair. Also can use that vibe, that bird singing and the voice of nature while you are just washing your clothes. The kitchen giving you a very light, glossy and aesthetic look. You can see the finishing and also the granite, also this soft closure, all the connected attachments. This is the fridge area, your refrigerator area where you can put your fridge, also can cook the delicious food and can enjoy with your family in the beautiful dining area. Let me show you now the first floor. So this was the ground floor. Let's come to the first floor. And while going upstairs, let's have a look on this stairs where you can see the granite and the finishing. The paintings give you a vibe. So this is our first floor. Just coming after the stairs, here you get your bedroom. The bedroom which is completely giving you a relaxation vibe once you enter here. This is a dressing area which is actually beautiful and having plenty amount of space, I guess plenty space where you can keep your dresses or your everything, every valuables. Let me show you the washroom, let me show you bathroom which is connected to this bedroom. Come inside. So again, as I told you, in the ground area where we had already the silver finishing roca, all the connecting, all the stainless fittings. So you can see this is actually giving you a wooden feel, right? This is not wooden, but just this is giving you wooden feel and this is looking very beautiful. Let's go ahead and this, let me tell you, this is actually your TV area where you can actually have your hanging TV. So this is first floor lobby area. You can also see the sitting area which is having 5 to 6 people sitting. Also the interior is beautiful, as you can see the paintings and the jhumar, the vibe is beautiful. This is the showcase area where you can actually put your artistic things, artistic statue or anything whatever you want. Let me show you the next area which is actually master bedroom. The bedroom which have been shown earlier in the first floor, you can also use that as a kids room or the guest room. So once you enter here, you can see the bedroom is beautiful. So this area is also very beautiful where you can actually keep your family picture here and the focus light is there. And this is the mirror which have been used as art as well, or also you can use to see your full image. So this is dress up area where you can see this full length mirror to see yourself as you're properly dressed up or not. This is the plenty space to keep your dresses, your jewelry and valuables. As you can see, the partition is so beautiful. The doors are so smooth that it doesn't make any noise. Also the fittings are branded as usual, I told you. The feel and the space, everything is so beautiful as you all can see. Let me show you balcony as well of this bedroom, master bedroom, where you can actually keep your chair and can enjoy a hot tea with a very beautiful weather, sunny day. Or so in any cottage or in any home, balcony is very important, where the view is very beautiful, and the as you can see the garden, you can sight seeing this beautiful city, and from here you can see this Paras Yash Kothari Hospital. That is the hospital just in front of you. So yes, this is the bedroom, which can be used as your guest room. Again, just like first floor, here you have also washroom area and clothing area. This is also based on walk-in dressing concept. So the front is washroom. Come, let me show you. This is washroom with beautiful fittings. Also this is having a double door, right? So this is bedroom door, and this is your lobby door. This is sitting area, or you can also, this is lobby area, you can say. So this is the bar area, where you can actually keep your important and abroad drinks and enjoy and can party, and no any of your family member will get disturbed. So this is having plenty space for your drinks, for your bottles. So let me show you second floor balcony. So this balcony is special, as I also told you earlier that the second floor is special. Why special? Because here in this balcony we have jacuzzi. So here in this overall 4 people can sit and enjoy. So this is Passion Royal Cottage first phase villas. This is G+2, means ground, first floor, second floor, and then terrace. So you get the constructed all the villas. Also you get 3 4-wheeler parking. Your 3 4-wheelers can actually park here very easily. Also a small garden area. If we talk about the area, we have 1000 square feet area here. If we talk about dimensions, the dimension is 20 by 50. 20 in the width and the 50 is in the length. So yes, this is all. I would request everyone to please visit once, because if you visit, you will definitely buy it. Right now I am standing here in the garden area of Passion Royal Cottage. So let me show you. Let's have a tour where the greenery meets the vibe, the environment. This sculptures, this statue is giving you the vibe, as everybody knows that Buddha gives a peace vibe. So here you can say the Buddha statue giving you a peace environment, also motivating you to do some yoga here. Let me show you the view from the garden. So in front of this side you can see the sample cottage, which have been shown you earlier. Just we started the video from there. Also here you can see the phase 1 all the cottages, which already have been booked by the clients and will be ready within 2 months. So all you can see, the club area under construction, within 2 months this also will be ready. After the garden we have come here in the pool area, where all you can see this palazzo, cafe, poolside lounge. So this area is very interesting because we have pool, we have sitting area, also we have sun bath area. So let me show you, come closer. Pool area where you can enjoy the pool or the swimming if you are interested in. Also we have this sun bath area, and this is our cafe where you can order your favorite or the delicious snacks. Noise of the birds gives you a different and a very natural vibe where everyone can enjoy. Let me tell you also that this is the kids swimming area and this is for adult swimming area. After successful review of our first phase villas, now we are going to launch our second phase villas, where we will have 85 villas with a square feet area of 3600. So this is the block of 85 villas which is going to be soon launched by Passion Royal Cottage. As you all have seen that in phase first villas, we have delivered the ground floor plus first floor and second floor and terrace. There in phase 2 villas, you all will get ground floor plus 3 floor plus terrace with your personal lift. So we have come here Ambrosia Club, where you all will get gaming area, gym area, cards room, billiards room, and also outdoor swimming pool with a conference room and banquet area. So why to wait when you can get all the amenities in one place? Let's visit Passion Royal Cottages. So now we are at the entrance of Passion Royal Cottage. Here you can see the entrance is so beautiful, and also we have kept in mind all the safety measures and also the beautify measures. As you can see that every of you or every vehicle will have to go under this boom barrier safety measure. We have two entrance. One is entrance and this is actually exit where we are entering. This is the guard room 24/7. The guard will be here for all of your safety, all of your entrance and exit entries as well. Now we are entering to Passion Royal Cottages. As you can see, just in front of this villas, in front of this building, you can see Paras Yash Kothari Hospital. I am going to tell you one thing, that this connectivity is very high. This is totally connected to the national highway and also connected to the vehicle, like 24/7. You all can get the connectivity or any emergency helps or anything. You just name it, we have it here in Passion Royal Cottages. If we talk about the location, we are here at Paras Kothari Chauraha, also known as Matka Chauraha. The connectivity is so superb. We can actually reach Nawabganj Chauraha within just 15 minutes. Also, we have just in front of this area, we have double road connected directly to the national highway. So yes, in terms of location, this is actually the most growing location as of now, the most growing area of Kanpur city and also the most developing area. Around this project, we have high-rise projects also going on. So one of the best projects can be this one also, in one of the best projects in Kanpur. So I would request everyone, before this villas sold out, let's visit here. Don't forget, just schedule your time now.